Welcome to guideme.io. Let's learn how to create XML file from Excel using VBS. To play this tour in your browser, download guideme.io plugin from guideme.io. You can also publish your own tours using Guideme. Step 1. Open VBScript editor. Open the VBScript editor either from desktop VBS shortcut or from Start menu. Step 2. Program code. Here you see the program for how to create XML file from Excel using VBS. In next slides we will discuss whole code line by line for better understanding. Step 3. Required variable declaration. Here we declare the required variables. We use this variable as global variable and use when we declare required object. Step 4. Create scripting file system object. We create the scripting file system object because we will create the XML file in the system, so for this we need the path, and to get path with this object. Step 5. Create Excel application object. Here we create Excel application object. We need this object to open our Excel file. For read the data for XML we set visible property true for this Excel object. After set we are able to see the Excel application windows on our screen when script run. Step 6. Get the absolute path name. Here we set the actual path of script into the work_path variable by using the getAbsolutePathName method. This method returns the actual folder path where our script exists in the system. Step 7. Create the XML file. We create the required XML file on the specified path returned by above method. To create XML file we use create text file path method and also assign this file to XML file object because we can write XML data into file using this object. Step 8. Write data into the XML file. We use write method to write text into the created XML file. To use this method we need file object. Here we write the default XML tag VB new line will insert the one new line character in XML file. Step 9. Open Excel file. Using created Excel object we open the Excel file from the specified path. To open file we use workbooks open file path method with the Excel object. Also assign opened file to WB object. We use this object to get data from the opened Excel file. Step 10. Define sheet object. Using open Excel file object we can get whole workbook data. Now here we need first sheet data to create XML, so by using this workbook object we create sheet object which is WS. Now using this sheet object we extract all used rows count and set into the row_count variable. Step 11. Loop to get all used row data. Here we loop to extract all used rows data of specified sheet by using cells, row index, column index, value method. We get the specified cell value. To use this method we need worksheet object. We also write the XML data one by one into the created XML file using the write method. Step 12. Release created objects. After completion of XML file creation we need to close the opened Excel file and also release the created objects. Now here we use close method to close the opened Excel file and use the quit method to quit the Excel object. Step 13. Save created script and run. Now save this created script file in the system where your Excel file exists. We will show you the Excel file data in next step. Here you see the one Excel file employee.xlsx and we want to convert this Excel file data into the XML file. Step 14. Sample Excel file data. Here you see the sample Excel file data by which we want to create the required XML file. We have 5 employee detail and we will create the XML file for this data using VBScript. Step 15. Congratulation. Congratulation. We have successfully write our VBScript program to create the XML file from Excel data using VBScript. Here you see the created XML file after run the script. Thank you for watching Guide Me Tour. Visit guideme.io for more tours. Download Guide Me plugin and publish your own tours. Send your feedback at team@wagmob.com.